In this video, I'll show you how to apply live wallpaper on Windows 11. So if you look right here, this is currently a live wallpaper of a chicken. So if you love to achieve this, make sure you install the live wallpaper on your PC. Once you are done, you need to go back to your lively. You're going to be able to see different options of live wallpapers, and you can be able to also upload yours if you have anyone you love to add. If you have any short video of yourself, that is, I think, landscape, that is this full size, not portrait, that is the full landscape size, you can be able to upload it here. Once you upload it here, once it comes out here, you can be able to come on and add it up. So if I use this for an example now, you can see that everything I said is working perfectly fine. So this is what it's going to show. So if you have a video of yours you love to add, you can be able to do this. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.